Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great. If you're looking for an Accenture opportunity and you have Python or Nutanix skills, don't skip this video. Because Accenture currently has 3 different technology openings that you need to look at carefully. And the roles, skills and locations are completely different. One of these is in Hyderabad, one is in Mumbai, and another one is in Gurugram. And wait till the middle of this video, because there's one education requirement mentioned in all 3 jobs that you should check before applying. First, let's understand why this update is interesting. These are official Accenture career openings, and all 3 are full-time positions under Packaged Application Development Associate. But don't assume that all 3 jobs are the same. The first opening is focused on Python software development. The second is focused on application support with Python and has generative AI listed as a good-to-have skill. And the third is completely different. It is a full-stack engineer position where Nutanix architecture is the required skill. So depending on your technical background, one of these may be much more relevant to you than the others. Job 1. Let's start with the Hyderabad opening. The role is custom software engineer. The required skill is Python. The work involves developing custom software solutions, designing and coding components, improving applications, debugging issues, and supporting the team. You may also be involved in code reviews, testing, documentation, and problem-solving discussions. Accenture specifically mentions object-oriented programming, software design principles, version control, debugging and writing clean and maintainable code. So if your main strength is Python and you are comfortable with OOP and basic software development practices, pay attention to this opening. But there is an important point coming later regarding eligibility. Now let's move to the second opening. This one is application support engineer, and the location is Mumbai. Again, Python is the must-have skill. But there is an interesting difference. Generative AI and data solution architecture are mentioned as good-to-have skills. The job involves investigating application issues, troubleshooting technical problems, documenting solutions, monitoring system performance, and working with different teams. So if you're interested in Python along with application support, troubleshooting, and emerging AI technologies, this opening may be worth checking. And here's something important. Don't apply to all 3 jobs randomly. Look at the required skill first and apply for the position that actually matches your profile. Now the third opening is completely different. This is a full-stack engineer position based in Gurugram. The required skill mentioned by Accenture is Nutanix architecture. The role involves working across end-to-end system features, from user experience to backend code. The job description also mentions cloud computing, software development lifecycle, agile methodologies, front-end and back-end technologies, troubleshooting and debugging. So this is not simply another Python opening. If you have a Nutanix background and you're looking for a full-stack engineering opportunity, this is the one you should examine carefully. Now let's come to the part you should not skip. All 3 job descriptions mention a minimum of 0 to 2 years of experience. So candidates with relevant experience within that range can check these openings. The educational requirement mentioned by Accenture is 15 years of full-time education. And this is important because many candidates simply see the role and required skill and immediately click apply without checking the education requirement. Accenture has not specified a particular degree or branch in the provided job descriptions. So don't assume that a particular branch or batch is automatically eligible. Check the official job page and your own educational background before applying. Now let's talk about how you should approach these applications. If you're applying for the Hyderabad Custom Software Engineer role, make sure your resume clearly shows Python, OOP, projects, and software development skills. For the Mumbai Application Support Engineer role, highlight Python, debugging, problem solving, and, if you genuinely have it, generative AI exposure. For the Gurugram Full Stack Engineer role, your Nutanix architecture experience should be clearly visible. And one more thing, don't use the same resume blindly for every job. Match your resume with the required skill mentioned in the particular opening. The application links for all 3 Accenture openings are provided in the description. I'll also keep the relevant hiring playlist link there so you can find more similar job updates in one place. After applying, regularly check your registered email and Accenture's official communication channels. If you are a job seeker looking for the latest IT hiring updates, off-campus opportunities, and important assessment updates, subscribe to the channel. And don't just keep this video for yourself. Share it with one friend who is looking for a Python or technology job. Comment below, Python, application support, or Nutanix. Which role matches your profile? All the best, and keep applying smartly.